Okay, now that our doenjang is in the broth, we're going to take our garlic that we so carefully prepped earlier. We're going to dump that in, mix it up. And then we're going to take our scallions and dump that in. And mix that up a little bit. Then we're going to add some red pepper, which was this special red pepper chili flake, which is not like the kind they serve at the pizza parlors. And I'm going to take about 2 tablespoons of that and just spread it around. And this is one of those things where it's nice when some of the tofu breaks up a little bit. You know you're doing it right when you see that. We're going to take a little bit of sugar because everything seems to have sugar in it. Not too much. About a tablespoon. Sprinkle it in there. Mix it up. It's not necessary to add soy sauce. The doenjang replaces the soy sauce in this particular stew because it has that soy flavor. Okay, we're going to turn the flame back up on that and cover it. And let it cook about 30 minutes.